Okay, so for number 11, they're asking you which of these shows a pattern of a difference of two squares. And remember that a difference of two squares is going to look like this. You have a number that's a perfect square minus another number that's a perfect square. It doesn't have to just be one variable or one number. So for example, I know x squared is a perfect square and I know 25 is a perfect square, but the difference means that you're subtracting them and this is an addition, so we're going to take that out. That's not what we want to circle. So it's not a difference of two squares. Now here we have 4x squared, and that's okay because 4 is a perfect square, x squared is a perfect square, 25 is a perfect square, and it is a difference. So it is a difference of two squares. So we're circling B. Now here 3 is not a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square, and it is a difference, but because 3 is not a perfect square, we can't circle it as fitting the pattern of a difference of two squares. Here we have 1x squared, and 1 is a perfect square, x squared is a perfect square, 64 is a perfect square, and it's a difference, and so we can circle D. Okay? E, we have 16 is a perfect square, x is a perfect square, and 144 is a perfect square, and you are taking the difference, so we can go ahead and circle E as well. And the last one, 1x squared. X squared is a perfect square. 1 is a perfect square because 1 times 1 is 1. And we're taking the difference, so that's the next one that fits the pattern for a difference of two squares.